Sometimes you need to know which value is the most frequently occurring value in a data set. So, for example, for our sales column, what is the most frequent amount of sales that is generated? For this purpose, you can use the statistical formula for mode. To calculate mode, you start by typing mode. The older functions of Excel used to have only the classical mode, which you see over here. This is not used anymore, and it's better to either select the singular mode or the multiple mode. So in case of single mode, you are picking up the one single most frequently occurring value. And this is what we would like to have here. So we start with mode.single and then we specify the range. So you go to raw data and select sales and close the bracket. It will take some time because here it is going through all the data points, identifying which of them are occurring how many times. So counting each one of them and then picking up which one is occurring the most amount of times. And here we have mode coming out to be 0. This is not a surprise because we noticed that there were a lot of stores which were closed and they had sales equal to 0. And this is definitely skewing our analysis. We don't want to consider those stores which are not open. For that, let's apply the filter and then proceed with calculating the mode. I'll copy the value from min, paste the filter, and now I update this mode.single and the rest remains the same. Let's see what do we get here now. The value that we get here is 5,200. Again, if you compare this value 5,200 with the median and the mean, so we notice that there is now an increasing difference between the mode, the mean, and the median. This is something that we need to investigate further.